remember that I read about Nancy and Brother Tukuma. You know those stories about Anansi and Tukuma, Mr. Hughes? So
Ah.
what what attract me now to remember these things? Mr. You some of the PNP they are like Brandon and Brother Tukuma and Wooding Creek. Mr. You, Damon Crawford came out and said, I trick you, I trick you. And Mr. Philip Caldwell came out with the light and thing that he is going to do. Not trick them, a trick with Mr. You. Eh? Mr. You, let me tell you something. I have a story to tell to these young people in this country, Mr. Youth. I have a daughter who did very well at high school, and she did her bachelor and she did her master's. And Mr. Youth, she got a job in the banking system. And Mr. You know what happened when the banking system meltdown? She got a job into one of the big banks. They transfer her to one of the big banks because she was a hard worker. And Mr. Youth, when she went there, after she went there and she was there comes recession. And Mr. Yu, she was one of the 6 managers that made redundant, 6 supervisors and other workers